My name is Antonia Pena, and I am a domestic worker. I am volunteer at Casa de Maryland with the Committee of Women Seeking Justice. I have worked with immigrant women in my community for many years, heard the woman experience. I want to share the story of a member of Casa de Maryland. I have gotten to know she is facing deportation because of I called the police about domestic violence. She can't be here herself because, like many in her situation, her life is constrained by ICE. Surveillance programs, this is her testimony. My name is Maria, and I am resident of Hyattsville, Maryland. I'm from El Salvador, and I have a daughter that is 2 years old. I called the police after I have fighting with my partner, and I was afraid he may harm me. I thought the police will help me, but instead they arrest me, thinking that I was illegal selling phone cards. I was taken and fingerprinted, and I had my photos taken like I was criminal. They found I was not selling phone cards, but I was turned over to immigration. They detained me for 5 days, and I had no idea what was going on. Sitting in the cell, I thought I would never be able to see my daughter again. I worried what she was thinking. I was worried because she is still breastfeeding. Finally, I was allowed to leave, but with a tracking device on my ankle and a deportation order because of the security communities program. For the last 6 months, I have to charge the tracking device for 2 hours a day. And I travel to Baltimore every other week to check in under the surveillance program. I am a hard-working woman, and I all want to do is work towards a better life for me and my family. That's the making me criminal. Today, I continue to fight my deportation because I don't want to leave my daughter with a mother, and I worry what will happen to her. My partner was recently deported to Mexico because he was arrested for driving with a license. My daughter will be grown up without her father, and I don't want her to grow up without her mother. I feel like I make a mistake calling the police. When I was afraid and worried what will happen to all the women out there when they need help. In my community, people do not trust the police, especially after what happened to me. I fear for anyone facing domestic violence or anyone that witnessed a crime, that they want to call me police for fear on deportation. These programs like security communities are making our neighborhoods more dangerous, and the situation for women facing violence has worsened. We must find solutions to keep our communities together and address the crisis facing immigrants. As you can see, Maria's testimony shows how the climate around immigration creates even more barriers for women to speak out. I faced and overcame domestic violence. Years ago, I know how is the feelings when someone abuses you. They change the way you think. I felt a sense of panic, and I didn't want my friends to know. I knew he was hurt me, but I was afraid to speak out because I didn't want to do anything that will hurt him. I did not want me to have a police record or face consequences. I kept thinking I could fix in the situation, even though I was afraid. People helped me call the police, and I was able to move on. Today, I wonder if I will call the police, knowing that what happened to Maria could happen to me, or that my partner will face deportation. I feel so frustrated because I support the women, and I don't know what to say to them. Call the police or don't call. because I don't know, they are in our size or in the eye size. There are many challenges for survivors of violence face in general, but immigrant women in today's world have a double struggle. For that reason, VAWA rotations are important for women to be able to overcome